expect to trade in about a 200-point range, up and down. There's your first target. Anyone took that short. Now, will we get our target of 379? Ooh. Could it be? I don't know. We'd have to break the pivot. No, it wouldn't. It would be above the pivot. I'm sorry. We open in 6 minutes. Everybody have the numbers?
Everybody know what to do with the numbers. Did everybody that went to boot camp have their plans written down before coach did it? Good job, Claude.
That's what we want to see. Discipline, professionalism, and guess what? There's a whole slew of traders, newbies out there willing to give you their money. Hey guys, 4 minutes, less than that, almost 3 minutes to the open.
Let's get ready to rumble. Coach, I'm thinking I'm going to take a little M short here just to test the waters. May not do it good though. Just be patient. Wait for the open. Had a good trade already, right? Be patient.
Also, I said that very early, but we've had a few more people log in. If you are new to the room, the first suggestion we have is do not trade for the first 6 minutes. 6 minutes, abstain from trading. See what the market wants to do. Where's support? Where's resistance? Okay. Also, if you're new, learn our methodology. Take notes. Ask questions. Understand the importance of risk control, trading plan. 2 minutes to the open.
2 minutes to the open.
Will this short turn out to hit 379? That's the big question. Anyone who took this trade already has a first target.
True. And I have 2 left.
Coach Brian is on the warpath. He's
On the
trading
warpath.
longs, shorts, scalps, swings, whatever moves. Love it.
You told me I could 2-way trade, Coach.
Yeah, you have permission. Houston, you're a go. Now, we just want to show you guys that after a while, when you go through the ringer or boot camps or training camp, not much different than any other sport. You then have permission to start making money. All right. 1 more minute.
Only 5 ticks behind you, David. I mean, in front of you, actually. Got 1 off. Profit locked in.
Good job, Coach.
Make sure you took profits on that, David. Good job. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything.
Mm-hmm. Good job, David. And 10 more seconds, we'll be open for business. We are open for business.
Tick started higher, guys.
Notice that average true range starting to creep up. And we will be trading for about, that is correct, David. And again, don't rely too much on the first touch rules because they tend to trade like an inside day, which is range bound. Six minutes will come and go pretty quickly.
Pretty darn quick.
And remember, the market can do whatever it wants to do, guys. It's not bound by, what happened before, what a moving average is doing, what a pivot level is doing, anything. It can do whatever it wants to do. Yep. Ticks have been strong, not below zero yet. We'll see what happens. We have 3 more minutes of observing. Be a good observer.
Observe it going to the right.
Cat jumped up here again. Hey, yo, get down.
Looks like the market's waiting for 10 a.m. too.
Good job, David.
Good job, David.
Go with the flow.
All right. Looks like 6 minutes are up now, guys. So if you're looking to go long, just be patient. Trend is up now, looks like. Get a nice hook on stochastics. Just be patient. Here's the long signal, the hook of stochastics. Anybody do that? First touch rule. Good job, Mike. Here we go. Take some profits. Make sure you're guaranteed profits on it. Move on to the next one.
Oh, sorry. I've been broadcasting and I have the thing off. Your next target is 508, guys. Sorry about this. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm like, okay, watch. I said, watch out for the first touch rule. It's a little squirrely these days, but so far it's working. Next target 508. Trail you stop. Okay, sorry about that. Oh boy,
We're all good.
it's the cat. Blame the cat. Blame the cat. Didn't get 508 yet. Now I'm going to get it. Yeah. Okay. Second target. Yeah, it looks like a failed W. So it's weird trading, guys. Getting choppy. Trend is still up unless we turn the 15 down or go below the daily pivot. Everybody green still, right? Little W up here.
Green and clean for everybody, right? Coho, good. Rhodes, good. Good job, Chris. Paul. Oh, Paul's slightly red. Krug, no. Okay. We'll be patient, guys. This is a little choppy. Those of you newer to us, we are patient traders. We're just waiting around here to make sure that we get a high probability trade.
And right now, guys, you can see there's no high probability trades. You're all chopping around. So I would ask you to just slow down. Yeah, Glenn, what you're doing is you're taking too many trades in a choppy environment. Don't do it. I will give you the signals. We'll set you straight, guys. We're telling you it's choppy. So if you're ignoring that and saying, "Oh, it doesn't matter, I'm going to go in anyway," I hope you guys can see that you're getting a 15 range buy and sell. Look at Sakasa. I mean, if it doesn't tell you this, here, you want to trade this? Be my guest. Short, short, short goes up. Short, short, that one works. Long goes down. Short, long. Look at this, within 3 bars, up and down. Now it's long. I mean, you want to trade that? You got to recognize when something is not working. Now it's working.
Now it's working.
Hmm.
I got in late.
Now go in, Glenn, and now you could ride it for a winner and get green. Okay, go ahead. On any low tick read here, any pullback, you could see it's breaking out to the upside. So now go with it. That's how you get green. You wait for the chop to end, and then you take the W. Or you wait for the chop to end and take the M. Either way. Just wait for these setups, guys. When the chop is over, then jump in, okay? Is everybody in this trade? Great job,
David.
Yeah, 521 should be or entry. Okay, Rad, get in now as it approaches 521. Don't wait. You've got to be able to observe.
And those of you that are sticking to your rule set, wait for low stochastics, let it hook up again. There'll be time.
See the cross even in here, guys? On the 2 minute, went down, 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 crossed up. Well, you got to use an appropriate stop. Your stop would be 514 right in here. Now, everybody long right now? Is everybody long? Good.
Should have profits too, guys.
Yeah. It's going higher. It's going wild.
Go. I like it. Good job, Chris. Prepare to be amazed.
We are going for 689. 689. Bring your stop up, guys. Bring your stops up. We're up 60 points on this one alone. Stay long. Everybody listening?
Huh? Those of you that were red should be green now.
Yep. Can't make money on a 70-point winner.
I
Never
don't know
gonna
what
do
you
it.
can do. You guys that were red get green now? Please say yes.
And it was choppy. There's no doubt about it. But again, choppiness ends after a while.
I'm flat.
Good job, coach.
Good job, guys. Good job, David. David took the breakout, guys. He saw the range, took the breakout. Normally something I would see. Forgive me for for that one. For that one. Good job, David. And keep in mind, guys, this room's for you. If you see a setup happening,
Yeah, shout it out.
tell the room. Shout it out. Shout it from the mountaintops.
Target is 689. Stay with it.
I got back in on low tick read, coach.
All right. And I
You guys do
I
anybody
have
do
not
that?
stopped out yet, guys. I'm keeping my stop win on this trailing stop area.
Anybody get the low tick read re-entry? Those of you that were red. I know we didn't say it, so probably didn't do it, but
If you need to, guys, ask us where your stops are. Are you in there, Rad? Rad, get in there. I keep saying 689 is your
Please.
target. So why aren't you in there? It hasn't reached 689 yet. Raise your stop to 623. How about 630? All right. $6.89 is the target. Anything would be okay as long as you are riding this thing. 689 is the target. How many is still long?
I am.
Yeah. All right. Grandma's pushing it up, and that's your job to ride
Good
it.
job, guys. There we go. People are listening.
Yeah.
Starting to listen now.
Yeah. Just keep inching your stop up a little bit. If you get nervous, inch your stop up.
Pay yourself to stay in the trade.
Yeah.
I took that from a gentleman who taught me really well. His name is the Trading Wizard. Pay
Gentlemen,
yourself to
it's the
stay in the
first time I've
trade.
been called that. Usually arrogant, nasty, truculent.
Truculent.
Trumpulent. There should be a new word, trumpulent. All right,
Trumpulent.
689. I have one left, guys. One left. That's it. I'm going to say, and I'm going to get out there, and you know what's going to happen. It's going to go past there and keep going forever. But that was my target. Should have kept another one. But that's it. I'm going to keep that target. Who's still long? All right, Chanel, Brian Sharp. Sean, I hope you're in there. Orderfield flat. That is a winner, guys. This will be Chanel's new song for everybody. But anyone still in trailing? You certainly allowed. Good job, Rad. Certainly allowed to trail.
Good job, Rad.
Now, I'll just show you the difference, guys. Here is your trailing stop if you're just following parabolic, all right? Good job, Team Slayton. But I use the 89 exponential, and you notice, guys, it has not been touched since that breakout there. It was farting around there, and then it blew through there. Remember, Coach called it. Coach Brian called it, and then it was just a matter of staying with a winner. This stuff here, Sakasa was getting chopped around. And guess what? Good old Sakasa made up for it. Look, buy signal, runner. So these things, wow, look at this go.
I like it. Get 2 100-point runners before 10. I'll take it.
640 was yesterday's high. I had a feeling it was going to break it, but I didn't think it would go much above 689. But anyway, it doesn't matter, right? We made at least that target, and those who are trailing, it is still gravy. Good gravy.
Yes. Good job, everybody.
If you have more than one, I'd take another one off because Sagasa just had a sell signal. So if you had 2 contracts left, you could take one off and then still trail it. Wow. Crazy day. Okay, the new song. Is anyone still in? Good job, Randy. There are some losers, right? And you're green now, right, Randy, correct?
Everybody's green. I think Chad was the only one, but I'm pretty sure he would have gotten in on this one.
Yeah. News in 3. Thank you, Love to Trade. Yeah, guys, if you're still long, tighten that stuff up. Diedrich, good job. Let's play a little song.
We all got a little. Who else got? Good job, David. You guys got 100 points. Who got 100 points on that so far? There we go, Paul.
All right. Quick song here.
Strong. Take the money.
I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did with the charts here. Hold on.
I forgot to ask you that. I love the Bugs Bunny meme. Love it. Good job, Claude. I'm not gonna hate on you for not making 100 points on that. 96 is respectable. Could still be in. Get the 100 points, Claude. That is why I have a stop. Squeeze this puppy up a little bit. Still trailing one. Great job, everybody.
Yeah, great job.
Way to listen. Way to understand that sometimes the market's not going to do what you want it to do. And just like yesterday, wait for the pullback, buy it, get in, still riding it long.
No more narrow range, guys, and no more inside day.
Oh, no, Chad. It's all right. We'll have more opportunity here in a little bit. What is playing? Is there music playing? Do you guys hear music?
There was, but I disabled everything for a second. I didn't know what the heck happened.
It's like the fourth time this happened.
Yeah.
It knows when we get a runner. It just starts playing music.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yeah. See if it'll work now. I probably clicked the wrong. You know what? I probably
No.
clicked.
I know what it was, Coach.
The X was on into the other monitor, right?
No, watch.
No?
Let me send you a message.
All right. Fat finger. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. And that'll actually disable the monitor.
Oh no, I thought you were talking about the music.
Oh no, I had the music on. Then I was shifting the screen. You know, I wanted to move the screen that the music was coming through on the YouTube, and then all of a sudden the charts like went. They didn't close, but they went, hidden.
Huh.
I had to put, when you do. By the way, guys, if you have a group, I just learned this. And I've been trading Windows for a long time, using Windows. If you do Shift right screen, right mouse on a group, it'll say restore all windows or minimize all windows. So let's say you have like 12 charts that are minimized. If you right click on that, down in the toolbar, it'll put them back where they belong.
Huh.
Yeah. Weird. Never knew that before. I don't know if that's with Windows 10. I'm using still Windows 10. In any event, this was like my trailing stop before, guys, was the white line. So it really still theoretically, even though I'm flat, never went below the 89 exponential. And right now it would have been like, the stop would have been like 62, which it looks like it's going to start hitting. This was resistance in this area. It still is. And again, from what, 489 right here, guys, 489 to 689, 200-point rally. And it may even come down 200 points. You never know. That's what the, it seems like.
Seems.
Yeah, that's a good one, Supreme Sorcerer. I love that.
Supreme Sorcerer. I'll change it. If you guys think that's too arrogant of me, I'll change it.
No, we like arrogant. That's it, man. Yeah. We're good and we know it.
Thanks, Mike. All right, Brian. Got it.
I mean, remember Joe Namath? I mean, the first, like, he comes in wearing white shoes, a mink coat to a football game. I mean, he is the quarterback, and everybody, every other team wants to kill him. And then he goes with that crazy. I mean, imagine, Bubba Smith then was a giant. I mean, now everybody's like that, but Bubba Smith at that time was just incredibly huge and athletic, and no one knew what to do with him. And he goes, "Oh yeah, we're guaranteed we're going to beat the Baltimore Colts in the Super Bowl." And the guy said, "Okay." Even his own players said, "Are you kidding? Now I got to block these guys," and they just wanted to rip his legs off. And he delivered. Seth Curry in basketball, he was going to win a championship last year, and that was it. Didn't matter, no LeBron James or anybody else. He was going to win a championship. You can't go, and especially this business, guys, you can't go in thinking you're going to lose. You got to accept that you might lose, and you know what to do when a trade doesn't work. But that's not losing. That is following your plan. Losing is when you don't know what you're doing, you panic, you get mad, and then you start giving back your money.
More importantly, Sean, I demand a replay. Nobody knew that you were bringing a ringer in.
Yeah.
Nobody knew that. You had a ringer. It wasn't fair.
Are you short now, Sean? I have a feeling he is. Learning his style.
Good job, Sean.
Great job.
Hey, somebody else who came out of the boot camp with some pretty darn good eye-opening events was Sean. He really, I think Sean really started to button some things together.
Yep.
It could be wrong. What do you think, Sean? Get some aha moments, start to button some things together for you?
I mean, and I'll be honest with you, Coach Brian is I would have to say, and I'm pretty good at it, he's better at reading people. He'll tell me after like an interview, this guy's good, this woman is, she's a great potential. This one, not going to make it. Boom. And first thing he said, remember, I was surprised. Remember when you called me, Sean? I said, well, maybe you want to talk to Coach Brian. And he said, I already talked to him. And he said, go here. And that was kind of cool. It's like, we see different things. Here's the whole thing, guys. It's called collaboration. You can come in as a decent trader, and then you pick up other things. People learn from each other. That's why Goldman Sachs isn't a one trader company. It isn't Mr. Sachs, and he picks up the phone. He's trading in his underwear from his house because he's a good trader. There's tons of great traders, and they collaborate.
Except for we all get to trade in our underwear from our houses.
That's right, with cats and dogs and all kinds of animals and songs. All right, guys, maybe coming back in now for another push up again.
I guess consumers do have sentiment.
Yeah, it's sad.
Confidence. I mean, they have confidence.
Sediment. Yeah.
Consumer confidence. I would have expected to see a bigger sell-off, but you know what? We'll go with what it gives us, right?
Yeah. I mean, whatever the market says, the market is the boss.
The market is definitely the boss.
Boss hog. Light long on this one, guys. Again, light long on this one. Just as the range. If you want to put a bid in at try 650 right here. You'd need about a 27-point stop. And you would be stopped. Ramon, did you use a close stop? Did you grab a first target? This is my first loss of the day. All right, good job.
Nice. I did not take that.
Yeah, it was still in that. I think Sean took my money on that one. He's still
I
short.
know, right?
All right, here's the Sakasa buy signal.
Yeah. Immediately got 10. There we go. So, guys, same thing. That's the same thing I did earlier, Coach.
Yeah.
You had a little basing here. And this is kind of the W that I think you like to take the most anyway. Is
I love them. Yeah.
the lower leg on the right side on the W.
Yep.
As soon as I saw it, that base out there, guys, hook on stochastics. I got in before Stochastic even gave the signal. Those are the kinds of trades that you want. And it came off a nice little clean stochastic hook. You guys get that? The W.
I'm back in on Sakasa. Yeah. Back in on
Clean hook there.
Sakasa. I'm going to refresh the page. I'll be back within 20 seconds.
Oh, we're going to miss you. Lock in some profits, guys.
Coming on back. $19 seconds. I beat my record. Good job, David.
Good job, David.
Yeah, we're pushing back up.
Huh. That's interesting. I thought we fixed your badge, David. Did you log out? You might need to log out and log back in.
Next target is 61 on the upside here. 61, raise your stop. Good job.
Good job, guys. Everybody should be in long on this, right? Should have already gotten profits.
I hope so.
We said it like 10 times.
Yeah, I took a loss on the first one, got back in, and I'm making more money than the first loss.
And the loss. Hey, that's trading.
That's
I haven't
trading.
haven't had a losing trade this morning. I'm going to keep that record today, even if I have to stop trading right now.
I'm gonna have to mail you a badge.
There we go, David. That's a good attitude. I know, but it's silly that that was supposed to be fixed for you, David. I don't know why. That's interesting. I'm gonna send a message as well. See if we can get that fixed for you.
All right, let's just move the stop up now to at least 65. Yeah, I love that commercial with Michael Jordan. You know, he's took the game-winning shot 47 times and lost. You know, everybody has a false impression of success. It's dealing. You know, George Patton said it best. You know, courage is fear holding on a moment longer.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice trade, guys. Everybody's still in this, right?
Yes.
Sean. Even Michael Jordan misses a shot every now and then. Good job, y'all. I'm not sure Coach says losing days. The goal here in this group, you're going to have losing trades, guys, but our goal is always for you to have a winning day. David.
Right now, Jer, my trailing stop is 658.
We'll have some losing trades, David, but
I've got two left, Jer.
Losing day is few and far between, I would think. I know it is for me, and I'm pretty darn sure that's the same way for Coach.
Yeah, and you know what? Usually it's when I bet large. I mean, if small, it's almost like I never have a losing day. It's always like I think this is the big trade, and I'll go up to like 10 contracts, and then 20-point stop. That ruins it when now I have to trade for 8-point targets, and I'll have a losing day. And usually around noon, if I didn't get green, I quit for the rest of the day and go to the sim. Even if I'm down like $300, I'll say, no, it's not worth trying to make that up. Because then that's all I'm doing is trading, your profit loss, not the chart, not the trades.
Let's face it, though. When's the last time that actually happened to you? 6 months ago?
Oh, you mean a day? The losing day? No, remember the big reversal day? That it was down like 600 points.
Oh, that one trade.
Yeah, and I went short there, and I went big time. I went like 12 contracts. I mean, it wasn't a big loss. It was 24 points. But now then I'm back to trading 2 contracts. I mean, I wound up. It wasn't too bad. It was down like $300 for the day, cash, and then I went to the sim. It's just people don't, I don't sit there and scream and yell and all that. And so people think I'm making money. And if I'm really quiet, then you'll know. Then I'm gritting my teeth and saying, this stinks, Yeah.
Be careful. First touch rule, guys. Confirm it with a hook on stochastic.
Yeah, this
buy signal.
crazy.
Just be careful. Starting to range again, guys. Pay attention to the charts. Don't be jumping in trades. Everybody should be green now. But to that note, Coach, I mean, for most of these guys, they shouldn't be doing that many contracts anyway.
Exactly.
So they shouldn't be having to come out of a big hole ever.
Right. Right. Exactly. Yeah. Now, don't vary your contract size. If you notice, even today, we said, lower your contract size. So if you're trading 5 contracts, even micro minis, make it 3. This way, if it does get choppy, as it did, your loss is going to be smaller. Already, you've reduced your risk by 1/3. Well, you know what, David? I'm going to tell you something, guys. I've always been risk averse. And I came from the brokerage side with these big corporations like Merrill Lynch and Goldman with equities. So what I specialized was undervalued assets. In other words, when I do an analysis on Philip Morris and during the cigarette issue, the company owned Miller Beer, DiGiorno Pizza, Breyers Ice Cream. And guess what? They worked. They were paying good dividends, just like Verizon now, while you're waiting for the stock to turn around. So I thought you could do the same analytical process and just shorten the time frame. Why do I have to wait 18 months when any idiot can figure out what's going to happen by 4 p.m., right? No. So I would take little losses, but I lost, David, for 49 months in a row. At the end of the month, I was red. Sometimes I'd be green, but I traded so many times, I was down $250 in commissions. And I couldn't dig a way out of it. And eventually, I just forecast, I said, well, another 7 years, I'll be bankrupt. I'll be homeless. So, and I had already taken besides losses, I had already taken courses with great traders. Looks like Sacasa put me in a short position right now on a sim. On the Sacasa, I'm trading the sim. Otherwise, I'm trading cash. So, I was trying to figure out a way, like, okay, here are these people trading against what I looked at as value, and they're ignoring the news. They're ignoring everything. They're just going with market order flow and momentum. And I would second guess it. And then guess what? You got to have a loss. Or I'd be in a trade and try for what I perceived my target. I'd be up 200 points and then give back and lose $50 on a trade. So slowly I went to I left the dark side. I mean, during that whole process, during that whole process, I think my largest losing day in 49 months as a newbie even was about $600.
I only laugh at that because I know what my largest losing day was.
Yeah, but adding it up, it just I'd rather have gotten hit with a big loss and said, hey, what did I do wrong? What should I do? And have somebody correct me, and at the end of the month start becoming green. Then for 49 months, you're beating your head against the wall. You start thinking yourself, well, I'm definitely a loser. But again, look at the guy in the Rams who's traded from Detroit, right? Matt Stafford. I mean, after a while, he looked at himself, and others looked at him as, well, the guy just can't win a good game. That's all. He's a loser. 10 years. What was he on Detroit for like 9, 8, 9, 10 years or something like that. Ridiculous.
My man, Matt Stafford,
Yeah.
he was good.
It's breaking out.
Too bad he was with a losing team.
Yeah.
I had a buy stop there. Sorry.
Yeah. Here we go.
Good little breakout. I was just laughing at what Ryan said.
What about Matt Stafford?
No. He said, when you were talking about your losing days, he goes, $600 was a lot of money in
Oh,
1940.
yeah.
Mike, I can tell you what the main thing he learned from Leonard Rasky was patience. And when you make profits, keep it.
Yeah.
And manage risk. Simple things, but it's the discipline. Discipline is probably the number one thing.
Yeah. Have a plan. That the other thing was write down. I never wrote down a plan. I should have gone to the Clearwater boot camp, waited until I would have been better off. And then Coach Klein had been yelling at me, have a plan.
Have your plan. How much I yell that to people every single day. If you want to treat trading as a business, then
it's a good trade, Coach. Right now, anybody take Coach's? I took it. My stop is already up.
Long. You got money.
Yeah.
Good job, Chanel. So even if you got in late when I said it, guys, you got profits. We got a couple more ticks on the upside we could probably get to here. So
this time my stop is a little tighter than 673, guys. Usually it would have been down here. I'm 685 on my stop.
Nice job, Chanel. Let's see. Let's see how close we were. What was your fill, Chanel? 680 for profitable Chad. Oh, Chad, you got in front of me. That's not fair. No, I had mine at 91. So
685, 690 now is the stop, guys. 690. And I'm just telling you what I'm doing following that breakout trade. Coach's breakout. All right, I'm low. I'm raising the stop to 707. Okay.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, and I'm looking at the Sakasa on the other thing. It's at 710 now. The Sakasa. I'm sorry, I used the 30 stop rule. Sakasa didn't call a trade. I'm using the 30 stop rule that I have. So it's 710 right now is the stop. It's already locked in again. I have one left. Can't lose. All right.
All right, Joy. Great job.
713 is the stop. I'll read it off as it moves, guys. Take care, Joy. It's going fast. 719, 20. Yeah. 20 is the stop. 720. If you guys took that trade. 720 is the stop. And we are, no, not yet.
Following you.
Yeah. I'm just calling out what the 30 stop rule is, that ATM that I put in there. It's automatically following this trade. I mean, I just went long when Coach said went long with the rule system there. It's one left. 720.
I like it.
Still wants to go up.
A little bit of resistance here. If we can break it, guys, we should see it go north a little bit further.
Yeah. Get a little bump on its head right now, trying to hit against that ceiling. It's like,
I got to go back to your technical term earlier, Coach.
Yeah.
When you said the market was farting around.
Yeah.
That's it. That is technical analysis at its best, people. At its best.
I have another one. The market's trying to break 35, like Coach Brian's trying to break the rugby scrum. You know, like putting his head down and battering some guy in his knee.
It's been a long time since I've been in an actual scrum. I'm too fast.
The guy's knee is at 36 right now. And Coach Brian's gonna like break his knee with his head. Here we
I
go.
did have this
Wait.
crazy thing happen a couple years ago. I was running down the field and I was waiting for one of our guys to pass me the ball, and he stepped over, and this dude that was going to tackle him like ran straight into my shoulder.
Oh.
And knocked him out cold. One of those things.
Broke it. 740.
There it is.
Hey.
We should have a little bit of running room, guys.
Moves the stop up, 726. Go. You know, you're right, Paul. The 728 it was a Crable. It's a Crable breakout too. Wow. Look at it go.
Oh, look at that, yeah.
750. The coach is running. He's like, what was that? Donkey Kong? Remember? Donkey Kong.
I was messing around with a trading dog last night, and I tweaked my hip, and I've been walking like you before your surgery this morning.
Oh, not good.
And flat.
Flat. Ding, ding, ding.
Good job, guys. Good job. Now everybody should be green, right?
And if you're not green now, you have to wait till St. Patrick's Day. All right.
Good deal. Who was it? I think we only have one person left. Was it Chad? No, wasn't probably Chad. Oh, Krug.
Krug, you around?
Done for the day. I love it.
Nice, Jetson. Love it. Look at that. And it's not even lunchtime. Great job. Great job, Jetson.
Good job, Jetson. All right. Now your job is to quit. Is that your daily goal, Jetson? What's your goal? If that's your goal, stop trading now. Stop.
Yeah, at least take an hour off, you know, and just
time
come
off,
back
call it.
fresh.
Yeah. The better part is, if you really, really, really need to trade, maybe you should only risk, I don't know, maybe $195 max.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 10%.
Max?
Max. Yep.
That makes sense, Jetson? Done for the day then. All right. Be done. Quit trading. 10:30 is here.
See, if you look, guys, you know, when you have transition right after 9:30, 15-minute chart went up. Prior to that, it was all down. And then what happened? Momentum has stayed up. Sort of goes flat here, you notice? And then you get your chop. You wait for the chop to be over to resolve itself. Little fake out breakout. Trendo's still up, breaks through. Get in there. Same thing here. You got a nice pullback of 740. 618, not too bad. And now the market's saying, am I topping out for the day?
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. This is Paulina. Just making a quick announcement. Thank you for joining our live stream today. And if you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, you can visit libertytradingclub.com and register for a free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to the trade room as well as participation in chat where coaches will answer your questions. After your trial, it's just $99 a month to be a part of the trade room, and you'll unlock our core training videos as well as have access to the trade room. Please like, subscribe, and share.
All righty, Paul. Good job. I could
The
probably
light short on right now. First target hit. There's a second target hit.
Hey,
Based on the 1030 reversal.
thanks for happening on time today, 1030 reversal.
Yeah, yesterday was a good one. One more target here. Lower your stop. Got to pay for some coffee. Coffee's gotten expensive.
This is the coffee trade.
This is the coffee. Yes. Coffee,
Trade.
1030 reversal, go get coffee trade. It's a long one. We'll have to shorten. We'll get a song for that one too. I don't know.
The coffee trade.
Coffee trade. Remember, just like we said before, if you don't have permission for counter trend trades, please just step aside, watch it. Go get coffee.
Yeah.
There you go. It's amazing. It sounds like it's right behind the computer here.
It is.
Yeah. Good job, Tex Bob. Done for the day. Great. Anyone still in a trade right now, in the short trade on this? Just lower your stop. That's it. Good job, people. Go, 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 go.
All right.
And think about it. It's not a downtrend. It's just traders who've been long for a whole hour and are watching this thing explode higher. They're like, I got to take some off here. This is ridiculous. No, I got to take, you take some off. I got So all of a sudden they're taking some off and that stops the uptrend, right? Then new longs come in. The newbies who go, I should have gone long. All right, it's at 750. It looks like it's going to go higher. And then they go in and all of a sudden now they're being stopped out. So the market sort of accumulates on itself. And that's how these little reversal patterns happen. The problem is that people don't wait. Nobody goes short at 1030. They're going short at 938. It's 8 minutes. It's going to go down. And then they suffer until they get stopped out. Everybody gets stopped out for the next hour. And then guess what? Their day is red. Well, yeah, we're just pointing out, all I'm good for, guys, is to tell you what not to do. And by eliminating what not to do, guess what? It leaves you with successful trades. Everybody knows how to trade successfully. It's just that our losses overcome the winners.
Well, that's the thing that I was talking to everybody about at boot camp, Coach, is talk yourself out of the trade.
Mm-hmm.
You give yourself reasons to not take the trade.
Yeah,
Most people are too anxious about seeing every little thing to get into a trade. How about trying the opposite thing? Talk yourself out of a trade.
yeah.
If you talk yourself out of a trade, guess what you can't do? Lose money.
That's right.
I know that sounds silly, guys, but I mean, think about it. Think about how some of you get so ingrained in staring at one thing on the charts and don't sit back and look and say, okay, maybe we're overbought on the 2 minute and 133, or we got a double top on the 2 minute. Just you think about those things. Talk yourself through those things.
Right. What will I do if this happens? What will I do if that happens?
There's nothing wrong with saying, okay, well, I'll put a buy stop or sell stop somewhere and then go back and analyze. That way it gives yourself something to do. Technically, you've set a trade up. You can always cancel it later, right?
Yeah. Diedrich, all I'm doing right now is trailing the stop at 690. I'm sorry, right here, right by the, see that white line? 696. I've got one left and probably going to get stopped out. That's all right. And a flat.
Oh,
Now it's time for coffee.
now it's time for coffee. Pay for a little coffee.
Be back in a few minutes, guys.
All right. And we're consolidating anyway, guys, so just be patient. Alrighty, guys. Hope we're just being patient, waiting for our next opportunity. Anybody go long on that buy signal? Anybody go long on the buy signal while we were gone? David's a beast. Good job, guys. Nice. You guys are learning stuff. I like it. This goes back to the part where I say, call out your trades, guys. Let us know. Good job, everyone. Taking a little. All right, I got one contract left. You guys are trailing, I'm assuming, right?